Hey guys, welcome to PR Detailing, my new YouTube channel, where we'll be talking about interior and exterior detailing in depth, tips, tricks, different techniques that I've built up with my experience over time. We've been in business for just less than a year, but we've grown to over 1,000 followers on Instagram and are booking 2 months in advance right now. So business has been extremely good. So I'm very fortunate for that and look forward to sharing more with you guys. Just wanted to introduce myself, and I know I have been posting quite a bit of shorts, but be sure to follow me on Instagram in the link below, and also please subscribe to my channel, as I will be posting many full videos of interior and exterior details, also with product reviews and some little tidbits that you guys can learn from, including polishing, paint correction, ceramic coatings, wheel refinishing, different things that are hot topics, I guess, that can help you guys out in the long run. So stay tuned, and here's a few clips of just some interior detailing, a few old, this one here specifically is a Jeep, 16-year-old Jeep, and then at the end you'll see just how I do clean some seats that are more of like a maintenance detail for leather seats. But enjoy, guys, stay tuned, much more to come. Thank you so much. Oh, that wants to say hi too. All right, there you go. Thank you.